Welcome to the channel, where we turn complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial skills you'll need to build wealth: managing your investments just like a pro. Even if you're a beginner, stick around as we break down the basics, show you how to grow your money with confidence. First things first, why should you even invest? Well, investing allows your money to grow over time. Beating inflation, building wealth. Whether you're saving for retirement, a big purchase, or just growing your wealth, investing is the key to reaching your financial goals. But it's not as hard as it seems. Let's break it down! Before you jump into the world of investments, it's important to understand your risk tolerance. Simply put, how much risk are you willing to take to grow your money? For beginners, it's smart to start with safer, low-risk options like index funds or bonds. These provide steady, long-term growth with less chance of major losses. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually increase your risk exposure. Now let's talk about diversification. If you've ever heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," that's exactly what diversification is. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or one type of investment, spread it out across different asset stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies. This reduces the risk of major losses, gives you more opportunities for growth. One of the easiest ways to manage your investments like a pro is by automating them. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts each month. This ensures you're consistently investing without having to think about it. Plus, it helps you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, which means you're investing the same amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this strategy can help you avoid emotional investing. Investing isn't about quick gains. To manage your investments like a pro, you need to be patient. The market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, it tends to grow. Stick to your plan. Don't panic during market downturns. If you've done your homework, diversified wisely, your investments will likely perform well over time. That doesn't mean you should ignore your investments entirely. It's still important to track your portfolio. Make adjustments when needed. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain the right mix of assets. As you grow more experienced, you'll get better at spotting opportunities, making informed decisions. Remember, managing your investments like a pro doesn't happen overnight. Start simple. Be patient. Keep learning. The more you invest, the more you understand how markets work, the more confident you'll become. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your investments like a pro, even if you're a beginner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our tips on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching. Start investing smarter today!